So good morning everyone. We are again today in the class talk time wherein we are going to describe people using compound sentences and opposites like she is shy but her brother is outgoing. The man was pessimistic but his wife was optimistic. Careful and careless.
Ma'am, 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 waiting.
No, there's nobody in the waiting room.
Ma'am, wait, tell.
Okay. So do you understand? You will make sentences, compound sentences with opposites. Good, bad, happy, sad, careful, careless, extrovert, introvert, intrinsic, extrinsic. What is intrinsic? Inside. Intrinsic motivation. It means nobody motivates you, but you are self-motivated. This is intrinsic. When somebody else motivates you, this is extrinsic. Motivation coming from outside. Your parents, your teachers, your friends. So when motivation comes externally, this is extrinsic motivation. And when you are self-motivated, when you feel no, I think I should be doing this. No one tells you, but then you are motivated. Intrinsic, extrinsic, internal, external, skinny, heavyweight. Skinny is very thin, somebody who is very, very, very thin, and heavyweight is somebody who is fat. So I'll show you the screen, but you need to make sentences because talk time includes everything, written and spoken. So you will write the sentences down and I'm going to ask you questions and you will have to answer, right? So sharing the screen. So describing people, use the following words in sentences of your own. Like see, general appearance. We are talking here about general appearance. She is very smart and elegant. She is a very smart and elegant woman, always well dressed. But her husband is quite the opposite, very scruffy and untidy looking, messy looking, untidy. Scruffy means not neat and clean, not tidy, untidy. So he is very good looking, but his friend is rather unattractive. Is rather unattractive. Now, as per the sentences given above, use the following words in sentences of your own. Careful, careless, healthy, sick, shy, outgoing, stout, heavyset, thin, lazy, hardworking. So, the sentence if you want to be called hardworking, quit being lazy. Smart, stupid. Stupid is not a good word. Smart, dull. Okay. Take the 10 words. Yes, make your sentences.
Ma'am, we have to make the sentences.
Write down.
I'm very careful.
I'm very careful.
Yep. I'm very careful about the COVID-19, but at some time I became careless.
Though I'm very careful. Start your sentence with though. Though I'm very careful about the situation, sometimes it happens that I become careless. Others, please read your sentences.
My family is a healthy family, but once in a year, my grandma got sick.
Others, please read your sentence.
Ma'am, starting one.
Ah.
Careful. My mother is very careful about COVID-19, but COVID-19.
Yes, continue.
Ma'am, third one I made. I'm a very outgoing person, but sometimes I become shy.
Ma'am, fifth one. My father is very lazy person, but he was hardworking in his job.
Okay. So your father was lazy at home. Lazy also, you can also use laid back.
Okay.
Laid back is a term which means lazy. So if you say somebody who's
One of my
laid back.
friend Rajat is heavy set, but another of my friend like Raja is very thin.
One of my friends. बहुत सारे friends में एक, right? One of my friends is heavy set.
Rajat is heavy set, but other one is thin.
But the other friend is thin. But the other one is thin. Yes. Smart, dull.
Ma'am, seventh one. Smart and dull.
Okay.
He is a smart person. He was studying dull.
You are breaking, not audible.
Okay. Ma'am, Akash is a smart person, but he is dull in study.
Oh my God, Akash will not like this.
I'm very friendly to
When you
everyone in our class, but one of my friend Abhishek is unfriendly to me.
You know what? You should not be commenting on people in your class. They might not like it. Huh?
No, ma'am, we are only making sentences, not
So
commenting.
why are you into?
See, he did not like it. I told you. So smart and dull. Dull and interesting also. Smart and dull. Interesting and boring. Is it? I think I included interesting and boring. No, I have not. Yeah, continue. If you want to be a creative writer, if you want to write impressive, if you want to be impressive in your writing. So, old, young.
I am a young aged man, but my grandfather is old.
Why don't we make meaningful sentences? Like the young people will never understand the problems of the old. थोड़ा philosophy इसमें आ जाता है, but it gives a direction. When you're young, you should be prepared for your old age. Do you understand?
Ma'am, newly
Otherwise, I'm making my friend is young, but my grandfather is old. He's funny, but his sister is serious. No. Try to make meaningful sentences.
Ma'am, the income and wealth gap, sorry, the income and wealth gap between rich and poor is widened.
You're breaking.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the income
newly
and wealth
purchased
gap
thing
between
is special.
Okay, newly purchased things are special.
Special for us, but after some time it become ordinary.
Okay. You can make an ordinary room look special by putting up paintings. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You can make an ordinary room look special with colors and paintings and curtains, right? Yes, I want sentences. Like I said, the young will never understand the problems of the old. Yes, continue. And somebody is talking all the time. I don't know. Mute, mute. नहीं कुछ बातें हो रही है. Funny, serious.
Ma'am, always being serious is impossible for us. Sometimes we have to become funny.
Yeah, very good. Always being serious is very demotivating. We have to be funny sometimes. Like you can also expand the word. Like seriously, this was nothing funny. Seriously, this was nothing funny. A friendly person goes miles and miles and miles and is very popular. A friendly person goes miles with his popularity. And unfriendliness, unfriendly people should learn a lot from friendly people. The unfriendly should take lessons from the friendly persons. Yes, continue to. This is a workshop, and we are talking. Even I'm talking. I'm making sentences, but you're writing it down. Speak. Strong, weak, happy, sad, rich, poor. Come on,
Ma'am,
make this into this time.
the income and wealth gap between rich and poor has widened.
Yes, what? Come again.
The, in- the income and wealth gap between rich and poor has widened.
I did not understand. What was that?
Ma'am, I will make a sentence on rich and poor.
Okay. Yes.
The income and wealth gap between the rich and poor has widened.
Mhm. The COVID-19 has affected all: the rich, the poor, the beautiful, and the ugly. You can make sentences like these also, because you have to include these two words in a sentence. God showers his mercy on the rich and the poor. Yes, hello. Continue. Tall and short. Tall stories, tall stories, short speeches, short falls. Short falls in tall stories. He stood tall
Interesting
for a
class,
short time.
never be bored.
Let me write this down. Everything, I cannot write everything I say, but then he stood tall for a short time. क्या मतलब इसका हुआ? He stood tall for a short time. कुछ समय के लिए वो सक्सेसफुल रहा. कुछ समय. ओवरनाइट सक्सेस. लाइक कोई न्यू एक्टर आता है, इसको फिल्म्स क्लिक करता है, एक दो फिल्म क्लिक किया, बाद में फ्लॉप हो गया, तो दे स्टैंड टॉल फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम. He stood tall for a short time. So he stood tall, people believed him, people voted for him, but that was short lived, कुछ समय के लिए, because he did not come up to his promises. So the idea of this creative writing is that you expand your horizon. सोचिए कैसे कैसे sentences बन सकता है. The shortfall of tall stories. क्या मतलब होता है shortfall? बड़े बड़े promises में प्रोमिसेस की गई बड़ी बड़ी, लेकिन उसको निभाया नहीं गया, शॉर्ट फॉल्स हो गया। ड्रॉबैक्स बहुत है, द ड्रॉबैक्स। See, the fun of this workshop is only that everybody is working. You are writing, I am writing. You are writing your sentences. I am giving some of my sentences, so that you will see. Okay, ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है. This can also be written like this. शॉर्टफॉल का मतलब होता है कमी। शॉर्टफॉल, बड़ी बड़ी कहानियों में क्या कमी हो गई? द शॉर्टफॉल ऑफ टॉल प्रोमिसेस। स्टोरीज भी आप लिख सकते हैं, प्रोमिसेस। शॉर्टफॉल मतलब कमी, प्रोमिसेस, शॉर्टफॉल ऑफ टॉल प्रोमिसेस। अब टॉल ही मत समझिए कि सिर्फ लंबा कोई उसी को टॉल कहते हैं, ठीक है? टॉल ग्लास भी कहा जाता है। अब ग्लास कहाँ से टॉल होता है? लेकिन हाँ होता है, एक्सप्रेशन है। When it is very hot and humid, you want to have a tall glass of water. Large भी कह सकते हैं, tall glass.
Ma'am, repeat the meaning of tall glass.
बड़ा glass. It was so hot, it was humid, the power was off, there was nothing cold to drink, so I searched, so I ordered for a tall glass of water, a tall glass of lemon water. So you are very thirsty and you want to have water, but you want to have a tall glass. Tall glass, I'll show you what is a tall glass. मैं आपको भी दिखाती हूँ tall glass क्या होता है. It is not on the table that where I'm sitting. It must be there. अभी आपको दिखा रहे हैं tall glass. Then you will understand. Let me. This is the tall glass. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a normal glass. Normal glass. Tall glass. See? Sometimes people get very angry.
Why, ma'am?
When you give water in this glass, people will get very angry. No. I want a tall glass. Like in the morning, what we do? We take this glass. This glass of lemon water. See how tall it is. Tall glass. Tall glass of water. Okay, let me get back to sharing. So the shortfall of tall stories. And the last is interesting and boring. People speak.
Mom,
Interesting class, never be bored to anyone.
Ma'am, this movie, at the beginning, this movie is interesting, but after a short time, it become boring.
It becomes. I can turn any boring class into an interesting one. How? By taking Marku or something. The moment the teachers say, okay, a surprise test hoga, then what happens? You become really interested. Oh no, really? What is the question? What's not? So a teacher can convert a boring class into an interesting one by asking with some activity. I think activities everybody likes.
Ma'am, when you will take our mark you?
I will, of course, I will. Let me prepare the marker first. Nobody has taken your marker.
What, ma'am?
Has anybody taken the marker?
Yes, ma'am. Almost 2 or 3 teacher has taken.
Okay, we still have some few minutes time. Let us do this orally. Somebody please read. Example A. I thought you said he was the short, chubby one. Chubby means short and thoda fat. Chubby
Healthy one.
means somebody who has a round face. Like young children have, children have chubby faces. If you
In
remember that,
our class also.
chubby cheeks. So the A is talking to B. A is saying, I thought you said he was short. He was the short, chubby one. B answer kar raha hai. No, not at all. He's the tall, thin-faced one. So chubby face opposite is thin-faced one, right? So this is to be done orally. A. Was that his brother, the dark-skinned, wavy-haired one? No, completely the opposite. His brother is his brother is fair-skinned and straight hair. Wavy hair, it means slightly curly hair. So you have to change into opposites. Was his brother the dark-skinned, wavy-haired one? No, completely. No, completely the opposite. His brother is fair-skinned and straight hair. Somebody read this. This is pair work. Two students can read. Somebody be A and somebody be B. Hello?
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
She is
quite
all,
well dressed.
Okay. Who is A and who is B? Tell me first.
she is always quite well dressed, so I have heard. Ma'am, I am A and Asutosh
Oh,
is
who
Why
is
B.
are
A?
you
Who is
adding
B?
always
Hello.
Ashutosh?
I want two students to be one to be A, one to be B.
Ma'am, I want to be
Okay. And I'll be B. Chalo. Yeah. Yeah. You be A, I'll be
A. She's always quite well dressed, so I have heard.
What? Who told you that? Every time I see her, she is shabby and untidily.
So Mrs. Sharma is rather plump, short-haired woman. Is she?
No, you're looking at the wrong one. Sharma is thin, long hair.
So tell us about the new boss, mid-age and friendly.
Tell us about the new boss. The middle-aged and friendly? No,
Friendly.
afraid not. It is unfriendly.
I don't know why, but I expected to guy to be elderly.
No, apparently he is only 21 years old. Read like this. I don't know why, but I expected the tour guide to be
Priya, mute your mic.
no, for me. Somebody, did you understand? It's the conversation. Read this again, somebody. Somebody be A and B. चलो हम करके बता दिया आपको.
Ma'am,
I am A and I will become B.
All right.
Okay.
Who will be B? I will not be B. Somebody else will be B. Priya Gupta, you be B.
Ma'am, Asutosh is there.
Okay, okay. मैं चिढ़ा रही हूँ प्रिया को.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
She is always quite well dressed, so I have heard.
What? Who told you? Every time I see her, she is not a well dressed.
So, Mrs. Sharma is rather plump, short-haired woman.
Hello.
It's she.
Well dressed का उल्टा क्या होता है? She's quite well dressed, so I've heard. What? मतलब लोग कहते हैं कि वो बहुत well dressed रहते हैं. उसका आंसर है क्या?
मैम अपोजिट ही तो बोले.
Opposite बोलना है. She
Yes, ma'am.
I see
Opposite है well dressed.
tidy, scruffy. Opposite आपको बता चुके हैं. अब आप बोलिए. Start again.
She is always quite well dressed, so I have heard.
What? Who told you?
Hello.
Every time I see her,
Okay. This is what? Who told you that? Not what? What? Who told you that? Every time I see her, she's untidy, scruffy, and very badly dressed. Well dressed का उल्टा होता है badly dressed, right? फिर से बोलो.
She is
Ma'am, A or
always
B?
quite.
Again, A and B.
She is always quite well dressed, so I have heard.
what? Who told you that? Every time I see her, she is untidy.
What the?
I'm bad dressed.
It is what?
Badly dressed.
Use H. There should be a sound of H before W. Like what?
What?
Who told you
What?
that? Not what.
Who told you that?
What? What's your name? Okay.
What's you mean?
The next one, number 3.
So, Mrs. Sharma is rather plump, short-haired woman. It's she.
No. You are looking at the wrong one. Mrs. Sharma is not long haired, not rather plump.